I just bought this Toro Lawnmower 2332. I saw a lot of the reviews posted on YouTube, and I wanted to share my experience. Here's the box. It's very new. And as you can see, it starts up very easily. Surely there's no gas. Yep, full tank. Surely there's no oil. Yep, full. Just filled it up. Well, I'm sure Toro has some pretty good instructions as to what to do when you have to troubleshoot. Let's look at the manual. Very important to always check your manual. If the mower does not start after several attempts, contact an authorized service dealer. What the? I just bought the thing. It doesn't start, and they want me to contact a dealer instead of telling me what to try to do? Or better yet, how about making a product that works? Toro, you can best be described as a hunk of burning junk. Okay.